Would you like to get the most of your ZWO ASIAIR and take your astrophotography to the next level? At Astroacademy, we can help you with that. Optimize your equipment, solve common problems, and discover advanced tricks to achieve spectacular captures of the night sky. And also with the latest updates from ZWO, like the ZWO CAA field rotator. ASIAIR from 0 to 100. The online course, which has already helped the Spanish-speaking community master their ASIAIR device, is now available in its English version. With over 3 hours of educational content, from the most basic concepts to the most advanced settings. You will learn things like connecting the ASIAIR device, configuring and setting up all its accessories, camera, filter wheel, automatic focuser, auto-guiding system, field rotator, connection and control of mounts, polar alignment, focus management, etc. Additionally, you will learn to handle it in a completely practical way in the field and during real astrophotography sessions. The ZWO ecosystem continues to evolve, and this course stays updated with the latest tools. You will receive periodic updates at no additional cost, such as the ZWCA field rotator. What advantages does it offer, and how is it used with ASIAIR? Both its configuration and its use in practical situations. Updates to the ASIAIR software, latest changes in its operation and interface, new compatible cameras and accessories, comparison and optimal configuration. If you have an ASIAIR, this course will provide you with everything you need to make the most of each new tool. This course is ideal for astrophotographers who want to get the most out of their ASIAIR, beginner users looking for a step-by-step guide to avoid mistakes and achieve results from the beginning, advanced users who wish to further automate their workflow, or anyone who wants to stay up to date with the latest ZW developments. If you use ASIAIR and want to make the most of it, this course is for you. This course is a one-time payment and lifetime access. Moreover, if you join, you won't be alone. The Spanish-speaking Astroacademy community has over 8,000 students who have trusted us, and they have our support to resolve their doubts and continue advancing in the world of astrophotography. We will stay in touch and help you resolve any questions that arise during your learning. Enroll now and take your astrophotography to the next level. Access the link you will find in the description of this course and in the first comment. Don't fall behind and make the most of your ASIAIR with Astroacademy.